this video we are going to see about voltage and current source. A voltage source is one which consists of voltage source and a series resistance connected in series. Actually, so voltage source means there is a voltage source. Along with this, a series resistance is connected. So now the combination of this voltage source and resistance is called as voltage source. Suppose if it is ideal voltage source means series resistance is 0. So this is ideal voltage source. This is practical voltage source. So according to the definition, the voltage delivered by the source is always constant irrespective of the load. The best examples of voltage sources are battery, next regulated power supplies, then solar cell. Actually in these three or in some other sources are available. Actually we see, suppose if I connect a load, if I connect a variable resistive load from 1 ohm to 1000 ohm, if I keep 1 ohm, suppose if we consider this voltage is 10 volt, here voltage is 10 only. Suppose if I increase the load to 500 ohm, voltage source is 10 volt only. Suppose if I increase to 1000 ohm, the same voltage will be available. Therefore this is the voltage source. Next one is current source. So current source is nothing but a combination of current source parallel with a resistor. Combination of a source with resistor is called current source. So we see according to this current definition, so irrespective of the load, the current delivered by the source is always constant. So an ideal current source will have infinite resistance. Ideal current source will have infinite resistance. So if we connect load with here, so irrespective of the load changes, the current delivered by this source is always constant. So this is a current source.